everyone, it's Kimberly with Getaway today, and I am so excited because we are here at Universal's Adventura Hotel. It is the newest hotel at Universal Orlando Resort, and it's also the tallest, and we are in a floor 16 room, which is really cool. So I'm gonna give you a quick little tour to show you what it's like when you stay here. So right when you walk in, there's your closet right here. A good sized closet, ironing board, luggage rack, extra bedding. And then you'll come into the bathroom area, which again, super sleek, super modern. You've got all your hair dryer, everything organized. Like most of the hotels here, most of the bathrooms are shower only. If you do need a tub, there are about 30% of the rooms here have tubs, so you can request that. But again, really clean look, really modern. This is the mini fridge. It's down here. Looks like it's just built right into the wall. And then you have safe and storage up here, coffee maker there, a really long, clean desk area. Because this is one of the newest hotels, you've got USB ports as well as your regular plugs, more storage down here, all sorts of storage. Okay, so one thing, oh yeah, and of course the bedding is beautiful, very clean. Most of the rooms here are 2 queen beds, so that's what you're going to get. And then, like, very few are 1 king. If you really need that, you can request it, but again, they're really limited. Flat screen TV. And then this is what I wanted to show you. Everything in the room is controlled by a tablet. So your TV is turned off and on. You can watch regular TV, YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video. There are the room controls, so like temperature, lights are all controlled through this. You can order room service through this. Everything is handled through here. So it's really high tech, really cool, a lot of fun. And then the reason why you'd want to stay levels 10 or higher, it's an upgrade. It's like a skyline view, I think is what it's called. But we just wanted to show you this because you can see on this side, you can see all of Islands of Adventure and into Universal Studios Florida. You can see everything. And then on the other side, if you're staying on the other side of the building, you can see the Volcano Bay, which is where we're headed next, and we're so excited. But also from here, you can see the Sapphire Falls Resort. You can also see the Cabana Bay Resort. You can see the Royal Pacific Hotel. So you can just kind of get a lay for the land. You can see clear down into downtown Orlando. It's an awesome location, walkable to Volcano Bay. Really just a great place to stay. So if you're looking for something fresh and modern, this is an awesome stay for your Universal Orlando Resort vacation. And again, I'm Kimberly with Getaway today. Thank you so much for watching.